Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you this LG HVAC unit that I have in my hotel room. Now, as you may be able to notice, this unit has shown quite a bit of age. You can see it's very dirty. A lot of stuff is just bent out of whack. Let's check the filters. I'm curious to see how these filters are. Oh man, they're not even coming out. There we go. Actually not too bad. Although they are a bit flimsy. And they're nearly impossible to remove. There we go. That one looks even better. So yeah, and you can see it's like chipping off here. It's mounted really poorly. So yeah, definitely could use a replacement. They did start replacing these units in some of the rooms here with newer Friedrich units, which I do have a video of my channel of because I stayed here a few months ago, or actually 1 month ago. And I'll go ahead and link that video in the description so you can kind of compare for yourself. But in here are the controls, but as you can see right here, it says this unit is controlled by wall thermostat. So all these controls right here are non-functional, and I don't believe these are hackable, unfortunately, so don't expect me to be explaining that in this video. Yes, I've gotten a lot of requests for that. Don't worry, I'll do it when I find a unit that works with that. And down here's the intake. You can see it says LG. And here's the underside of the unit. You can see it's just on this it's on this board, I guess. And down there is an emergency shutoff switch, as you can see. And then over there is a wire. I guess there's some sort of internal surge protector. And some of the cold air from outside is coming through the vent. So I guess it's not very well insulated here, but oh well. And you can see it's mounted on this plate that leads to an outside part that you can't see from here. And here's the view from the second floor of the hotel. You can see right in the courtyard here, and the sun is setting. So yeah, now I'll go ahead and show the thermostat, which is over here. It's identical to the one that was controlling the Friedrich unit. It's a Pro, as you can see. Although on this one, this switch right here does absolutely nothing. Auto, low, or high doesn't change anything. So really the only things that work are the main system functions and the temperature. And you can see on here it says temperature 70, set at 70. And I have it set to heat because it's almost winter time and it's pretty cold. So yeah. And I guess without further ado, we'll go ahead and turn it on. Now in order to turn it on, I actually have to turn the temperature up. So I'll do like 74, I guess. And you can see it shows on. There we go, now the unit is running. You can see right here, it blows a lot of air. You can see the fan in there. It is a horizontal fan. There's like a grill behind the outer grill. So yeah, now if we open up the controls, you can see the display shows RE for remote. So, yeah. This unit is kind of loud. See, if I go to the entrance of the room, you can still hear it quite well. And there's a bed right here. So, yeah. I know somebody who won't be sleeping well tonight. But, whatever. Rather keep warm. Yeah, for some reason over on this side, the heating element doesn't work as well and it blows kind of cold air, but the rest of it makes up for it, I guess. And by the way, this vent is fixed, it's not adjustable. So, yeah. One plus that I have about this unit is that it is very slim. You can see it's very flush to the wall. This plate doesn't stick out that much. It's smaller than the Friedrich, so that's one advantage that this has over the Friedrich. But everything else, I'd say the Friedrich is far superior. It just had way more control options, better airflow, and it was just in better condition overall. And that thing was brand new. So yeah, this thing was probably put in sometime in the, I want to say, 80s or 90s, judging by how beat up it looks. I mean, it works, it does the job, but whatever. So, yeah, and obviously when it's in heat mode, the compressor doesn't turn on. It just has a heating element that heats up, and then the fan just blows all the warm air from the element out through the vent. That's how most forced air furnaces work. I have seen some PTACs like this that have compressors for heat, but those are quite rare. I think the GE Zone Line series is one of the only PTAC lines that has heat compressors. So, yeah. But yeah, it does blow a lot of air, so that's good. And yeah, there's not really much else to say, so we'll go ahead and turn it off. And you can see the on light went off, and this does have an interglow. And the unit shuts off. So that is it for this HVAC unit in my hotel room. Thank you for watching.